Are you still answering the same internal questions every week? You don't have to. Welcome to Microsoft 365 Quick Skills. Today I'll show you how to build a Microsoft 365 agent using Copilot Studio that answers those questions automatically, using your own documents. No coding, no scripting, just structured knowledge. This is how you stop repeating yourself permanently. Internal FAQs aren't the problem. The problem is your knowledge is passive. Your documents are sitting in SharePoint. Your PDFs aren't activated, so people ask you instead. We're going to fix that. Most people think building an FAQ bot means typing every question and answer manually. That's the old model. Instead, we'll let Copilot reason over your actual documents. This is architecture, not prompting. First, open Copilot Studio and create a new agent. Let's call this Operations Manager. Now go to the Knowledge tab. Instead of writing answers, connect your data source. For this demo, I'm connecting a SharePoint folder with 401k policy PDFs, internal operating procedures, enable Generative Answers. Now the agent indexes your documents. It's ready. When someone asks a question, the agent retrieves the relevant paragraph, understands the context, generates a clean answer in real time. You don't maintain questions. You maintain documents. That's the leverage. Quick clarification. We aren't programming a chatbot. We are directing an intelligence. This enables generative answers. This is the architectural idea that matters. Let's test it. How much is the management fee, and how do I avoid it? The answer appears instantly. Notice this. It references the exact policy document. It shows the citation link. That builds trust. Notice I'm not starting a normal chat. I'm querying my specific data. The agent reads the policy PDF and returns the exact dollar amount and process. If a question comes up often, add it as a starter prompt. Done. No retraining. No rebuilding. This is the difference. You aren't just storing files anymore, you're activating them. In the next video, I'll show you how to integrate this logic directly into your Outlook workflow to draft emails faster. Thank you for watching.